Hi everyone, I'm Yaki. Welcome to today's Godox Audio 101.
Hi everyone, I'm Serene. In this episode, we're going to show you some tips on how to use our UHF wireless microphone system WMic S2.
Firstly, let's open the box. In the box, there is a charging case with 2 transmitter and 1 receiver inside, and the accessories.
The accessories include 4 cables, 1 Type-C to Type-C cable, 1 triple head Type-C to USB cable, 1 3.5mm TRS to TRS cable, and 1 3.5mm TRS to TRRS cable.
There were also 2 windscreens, 3 back clips, 3 magnetic plates, 2 left mics, and a wrist strap for the charging case.
For WMic S2, apart from the kit, the charging case, receiver, and transmitter can be purchased separately according to your needs as well.
And now, let's take out our WMic X2. The charging case can store and charge the transmitters and receiver together. There were also 4 indicator lights displaying the battery level and charging status. Plug in the power supply. When all 4 indicator lights are constantly on, it means that the charging case is fully charged.
Open the case, short press the pair button to wake it up, and long press the pair button. See, the indicator light turned green. Then the transmitters and receiver is paired successfully.
Quite convenient. Okay, now let's talk about the function settings. Take out the receiver. It will automatically enter the language setting interface when turned on for the first time. Short press the A or B button to adjust, and short press the function button to confirm. If you want to reset, long press the A and B buttons together for 4 seconds.
As you can see, the OLED display shows the battery life of the receiver itself, the battery level of the 2 transmitters, the real-time volume of the 2 transmitters, the channel of the 2 transmitters, and the channel mode.
For channel setting, short press the A or B button. The display shows the A or B group channel number. Long press the A or B button, then the adjusted channel number blinks. Short press the A button to decrease, and short press the B button to increase the channel number. Finally, short press the function button to confirm the channel setting.
Yeah, that's clear. And for volume setting, short press the A or B button until it enters the volume interface. Long press the A or B button to make the adjusted number blinks. Then, short press the A button to decrease and B button to increase the volume. Finally, simply short press the function button to confirm.
To switch the output mode, simply short press the A or B button until it enters the stereo and mono mode interface. Long press the function button to make the yellow icon blink. Then, short press the A or B button to switch between mono and stereo mode. Finally, short press the function button to confirm.
And the setting is quite similar for the screen brightness. Simply short press A or B button until it enters the screen brightness interface. Long press the function button until the brightness number flashes. Short press the A or B button to adjust the brightness. Finally, press the function button to confirm.
Yes, the same as the screen dormancy settings adjustment. Short press the A or B button to enter the dormancy interface. The display will show the dormancy time for 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. Then, complete the setting according to the same confirmation and adjustment steps.
That's right. And the screen can also be flipped. Long press the function button to flip the screen, and short press it again to restore the setting.
Well, so far, we've talked about all the function settings of receiver. Now, let's take a look at the transmitter.
Sure, take out the transmitters. To turn on the low cut function, short press the power button, which is also the low cut button. When the low cut indicator light turns yellow, then it's done.
To mute the transmitter, the setting is quite similar. Short press the mute button, which is also the pair button. When the mute indicator lights turn red, then it's muted.
Also, WMic S2 supports recording backup. short press the record button to enter recording mode. The audio files will be automatically backed up, and the record indicator will be constantly red. Short press the record button again to stop recording. Then it will be off.
Alright, after the demonstration of its functions, now let's talk about the installation and connection of WMic S2.
Sure, you can easily mount it on your clothes with the back clip like this. And for outdoor shooting, you can attach the furry windshield on the transmitter to prevent wind or other noises.
And if you want to hide the mic, you can also insert the lav mic onto the transmitter neck part and clip the transmitter onto the belt, collar, sleeve, or put it into your pocket.
That's quite convenient. And how to connect it to the camera? Take out our receiver. You can connect the 1/4 coat shoe onto the receiver and install them on the camera or other shooting equipment. Then insert one end of the 3.5mm TRS to TRS cable into the receiver's output port and the other end into camera's mic port. Then it's connected successfully.
Yes, you can also connect it to the mobile phone or laptop via the TRS to TRRS connect cable.
Got it. I suppose that's all for today's episode. So do you guys got to know the operation of our WMic S2? If you have any question about it, please don't hesitate to let us know.